Today, we're off to check out the Gunung Lang Recreational Park in Ipoh. Gunung Lang Park is famous for its towering limestone cliffs and peaceful lake. You actually have to take a small boat just to get inside, and it's already made this place feel like an adventure. And so, after just a quick 5-minute boat trip across this gorgeous lake, we were in.
Made it into the park and we've been given the brief. Number one brief, watch out for monkeys.
Gunung Lang holds such bold, breathtaking natural beauty it feels completely cut off from the rest of the city in Ipoh. The park originally opened back in 2000 and sits right at the foot of the Gunung Lang mountain.
Monkey spotted. Keep your wits about you guys. Yeah, watching you mischievous little buggers. Well, save for the lack of sun, this place is damn nice. I think my prayers may have been answered. Looks like it's poking through. I'll be very interested to know how all these rock faces and stuff formed with just this bit in the middle. It's like a huge valley, isn't it? Yeah. Years of erosion. What's down the secret path? Yeah, look at the old stone pilaries. Fancy. Okay, well, secret path wasn't so exciting. It's like an abandoned toilet. It's just an old bog, mate. It's so deceivingly hot in it. Even with all the overcastness, I thought it might be a bit cooler, but I'm sweating buckets. There's only one thing to do. Run into the breeze! Look at the tiny little dinky bopper. Oh, he's so cute!
Gunung Lang is an ideal getaway if you're looking to escape the noise of the city. You'll hear birds, flowing water, and most importantly of all, no traffic.
Look at this for a swing view as well. Not too bad. Apologies to anyone that has motion sickness from this. I want to climb the tower, but a pack of monkeys standing guard. What you gonna do, boys? Right, game time. Going past the monkeys. Oh, they're so little and cute. Where are you dudes going? Don't worry, I'm only going upstairs, mate. Oh, oh my god, yeah, look, he's doing the fly eating thing. Behind him looks so old. What's up the tower? There's a little dude there. Oh, there's one there. Yeah, I know. Just came and poked his head round and looked at me. Hello, buddy. What's doing?
Hey, man.
On there as well.
On the stairs?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, yeah.
Look at this little dude. Hello, buddy. Hello. Hey, little dude. Where you going, buddy?
Hey, man. There's no children around the world up here.
Oh my god.
Oh, mate, there's no... You all like that, mate? You like that?
Where you guys come from?
From the
England.
Oh, you can.
UK. What yourself? Are you local?
I am local.
Nice. It's a lovely country you got here, man. I won't tell you.
Oh, he's so cute.
Dia apa tu?
Nah. well, thanks for having us, guys. Been lovely meeting you all. Cheers, dudes. Oh my god, look at the little tiny one! Look at the little dinky bobbers! Lakefront views, anyone? Oh my god, look at it. It's a prime bench if ever I saw one at all. Well, I gotta say, for the princely sum of 3 ringgit, which is about 60p, that was worth every penny. Absolutely fantastic. Never been so close to monkeys in my life. Got the wind in my hair. Hold up, Rand. The old shitliner's coming into port. Well, that was absolutely awesome. One of the best national parks I've ever been to, actually. It's worth it for the monkeys alone. Highly, highly recommended.